What's up everybody, welcome back to another episode of Food Arrow. Today we're making refreshing corn salad. Let's get started. First, dice a red onion. Then, finely chop a handful of green onion. We used about 6. Finely chop 2 jalapeños. Start by cutting off the top, then slicing vertically down the jalapeno. Using a spoon, remove the seeds and the white pith out of the jalapeno. Thinly slice the jalapeno vertically. Turn the jalapeno and then slice across your guts to create a fine chop. For a finer dice, cross-chop the jalapeno with your knife. After handling the jalapeno, make sure to wash your hands thoroughly or wear gloves while chopping the jalapeno. You don't want to get this in your eyes. And do not scratch your eyes while cutting the jalapeno. Now, we're going to finely slice some basil. Layer the basil leaves on top of one another, with the largest one on the bottom and the smallest one on top. Roll up the basil leaves and finely chop. Try not to over chop, as you don't want to mush the basil into the cutting board. You want to keep the good stuff for the corn salad. We need 2 limes worth of lime juice. Using the palm of your hand, roll out the lime. Then, slice the lime in half. This will help release the juices and make it easier to come out. Repeat this process with the second lime. We're going to remove the husk from 8 ears of corn. Let's get shucking. Using a sharp knife, cut the corn kernels off of the cob. It's best to hold the corn vertically while slicing downward. Now it's time to assemble the salad. If you forgot to wash the corn like I did, take it over the sink and wash it. Add the corn to the dish, then the green onion, the jalapenos, the diced red onion, the chopped basil, and mix together until all the ingredients are incorporated. Add the juice from the 2 limes and make sure you get all the juice out. And mix again. Now we need 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Pour the olive oil in the mixture and then stir again. Add some salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. And some more pepper. And more pepper. And more pepper. Mix again. And taste test your creation. Make sure it's seasoned well. Once you're happy with the taste, add some feta cheese, because feta makes it better. Mix together one last time, and your creation is complete. Bring it to your next summer gathering, and it'll be a huge hit. Be sure to follow us on Instagram, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more tasty videos like this. Until then, happy eating.